Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to another Trenchless Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, June 20th, 2023. And today I'm going to be walking you guys through my last week or so on site in Florissant, Colorado for CDOT's pilot project with the Channeline liner installed by TZAC Heavy Equipment. So I'll spare you guys a lot of the details and a lot of the work that went into it over the last year and a half or so, making this project come to life. So the focus of this presentation is going to be more so running you guys through the actual install steps as well as the condition of the hose pipe. So for starters, with a quick walkthrough I did earlier last week. So you guys can see some massive gashes in that hose pipe. A lot of the rebar is exposed. Some of the top of the walls starting to be deflected. So there were several reasons why they were looking to rehab / potentially replace this culvert. And really what it came down to as far as the rehab goes is the cost and time that was saved by doing so. This culvert was about halfway between Colorado Springs and State Highway 9. So a lot of those southern Colorado travelers were able to avoid quite an extensive detour by not having to dig up this culvert. And just from being on site for a week or so, I'd say there were, 10,000 cars maybe going over it every single day. So this is a pretty crucial highway. And a couple more pictures of the condition of that hose pipe. Once again, just in rough shape all in all. And so for the rest of this, I'll just walk you guys through the install steps. It is very straightforward, just like any other product liner I would have mentioned any of the other Trenchless Tuesday up to this point. With the exception, this pipe was actually staged several miles away. So they had to bring each lay length one by one to the job site. So even with that being the case, TZAC was still able to install about 60 feet of channel line yesterday in under 4 hours. So one by one, they brought the piece to the job site. And from there, they got those joints lined up. And once those joints were lined up, they put a steel plate up to the back of that next piece of liner that was coming up. And with a little bit of pressure, they're able to snap it together. And from there, they can push those assembled pieces into the hose pipe. And you can see how easily that one slid into place on those steel rails. I got another view from inside the hose pipe as well of that being pushed into place. As you guys can see, coming in quite fast. And from there, it's clockwork. They got the next piece assembled and snapped it together, pushed it through. And TZAC did a great job. Like I said, this was the second pipe they did yesterday that took under 4 hours. Once the process was all in place and everybody was up to speed with the product, it was an extremely efficient process. And once the bulkheads are built and it's grouted in place, this product's going to be looking at 100+ year design life. And here you guys can see how tightly that Channeline product is fit into place. So when you guys are dealing with Channeline, you let them know the dimensions that they need to work within, and then they will make it to the exact dimensions. So if you guys are ever looking at a culvert rehab project for any box culverts, non-circular shapes, or just completely irregular, just let us know. We're happy to assist. Channeline will probably be a great option. There's going to be a lot more pictures and videos coming from this presentation, so keep tuned for those. And for now, hope you all have a great Tuesday.